Wendy went to Australia for 5 days. I didn't go with her. She took my camera and Weebill lab Gimbal to challenge herself. And here is the footage she filmed in Australia. A travel vlog filmed by her, edited by me.
You were the one, you were my paradise. I was your girl with the ocean eyes. Under the stars, under the afterlife, it was a different world with you. Why'd you have to go? Guess I'll never know. Look up and just hold onto the night. It's changing my mind. It's a beautiful so fast, we got off track sometimes. Getting caught up in between the lines. Sending a spark, shooting up my spine. It was a different world with you. Why'd you have to go? Guess I'll never know. Look up and just hold onto the night. It's changing my mind. It's a why'd you have to go? Guess I'll never know. Look up and just hold onto the night. It's changing my mind. It's a beautiful